Hey, good morning, traders. Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today is Thursday, December 11th, 2025. I want to talk about a couple of charts here that are looking really good. But first, I want to talk about our 14-day VIP Fast Track to Success trial, okay? 2 hours private coaching with me. We'll talk about the Road to Wealth account. I'll get you lined up if you're interested in doubling your account like I do mine. Be glad to coach you for those couple hours and for the entire time you're on your trial for 14 days. Anyway, you can find the link and YouTube. This is a YouTube video, so below the video, there's a link for that. In fact, if you buy that today, I'll give you a call today and we'll set up that coaching. Also, I want to let you know that there's a link in YouTube below the video on YouTube that is a link to our Discord account. And if you're interested, it's free. And I post my account in there, the positions I'm holding once, maybe twice a day over there in Discord. Okay, so love to have you over there. Okay, hang tight, and we'll take a look at a couple of really nice charts. All right, let's talk about this CNC here. That was a nice buy today, you guys. Congrats. Currently up 26.8%. Bought that today. We're headed right to that 50% retracement area. Let me throw this up here real quick. There we go. That is a good target area if one chooses to take money off there. I think I'm going to hold on a bit, although I may take a partial. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. But right now, I'm thinking maybe we just move up a little higher here. I think I'm just going to go right here. So we'll watch that 200 period moving average up in there and then around that 45 area. And then who knows, maybe we get up in that 50. How cool would that be? So way to go there. I want to talk about this UPS as well. UPS is doing great, 48%. Actually, I've got two positions on UPS. One is up 48% and one is up 58%. And man, that's doing great. I do think I'm going to close some of that. I think I'm going to close it out today. Take that off the table. Let it settle down, and then I'll look to rebuy it on the pullback here. I still expect it to move up, but I do feel the need to take some profits, and I'm in way too many positions, so I am going to be closing that out for about 48 and about 58% profit on those. So those are looking pretty good here. So yeah, AVGO here having earnings. And if they say that it's going to be good, I guess we could believe them. I don't know how the market's going to take it, but maybe. And I very well might buy AVGG today and hold that through earnings. Not a lot of it, of course, but a little bit, and just to see what happens there. And then let's take a look at that CNC one more time. Currently up 36%. That was a nice buy today. Man, I got to tell you. Hey, every now and then we get lucky, right? Just rallied right on up. We're at the 50% here. Don't feel bad if you take profits a little off the table here. I might before the day's over. But overall, I think this goes higher. I think we get to the 200 up here at least, over the next several days. That could happen. And we've had a nice, if we take a look at the cloud here, we've had a nice breakout of the cloud. Okay, we came right back to it. Boom, popped up. Nice chart pattern there. So that's looking really good, real good. So hey, everybody, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Remember to give us a thumbs up. It helps with the channel. I do appreciate that. Leave us comments. Check out that link to our 14-day trial. Let's get locked into 2 hours of coaching with me, okay? And don't forget, I'll be posting my positions over in Discord, and you can see the link below the video to join our Discord group, okay? Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching this video.